Hey guys, well, it's been a week since our big blizzard in the Sierra Nevada. We got 5 to 10 inches on the valley floor, and the foothills probably got a foot. But the real action was up at Lake Tahoe and over Donner Summit. It's so dry and arid here in Nevada that within 3 days and the sun comes out, all the snow pretty much melts down here on the valley floor. And as you can see, even the foothills, it starts to melt. This is Peavine Mountain. It's over 8,000 feet high. And then we have downtown Reno and the eastern Sierra. And here's Mount Rose with an elevation of over 9,000 feet at its peak, with the ski resort at 8,000 feet. And this is Slide Mountain at the Mount Rose Ski Resort. So this one storm brought our snowpack up to 100%, and we still have 2 or 3 more weeks of winter left with more possible snow in the Sierra.